In our daily life or in laboratory, we observed different types of reactions. Some reactions are very fast reactions, and some reactions are slow reactions, and some reactions are moderate reactions. Examples, that is, mostly ionic reactions are fast reactions, and covalent bonded reactions are moderate reactions, and rusting of iron is the example of slow reactions. Here, reactions velocity depends on reactant and reagent and surrounding conditions. Depending on these factors, finally we get products. Here, formation of products with different percentages with respect to time will be calculated by order of reaction. Depending on reaction, different orders are there. Here we discuss about zero and first order. Zero and first order. Mostly photochemical reactions are zero order, and decomposition reactions are also zero order, and metal surface reactions are zero order. And first order reaction examples, that is, radioactive decay reactions are first order reaction. Here it is zero order, and zero order reaction is represented by A gives rise to product. Zero order means when the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of the reactants. It is called zero order reaction. Its differential form is represented by minus dA by dt. dA means that is changing concentration of reactants with respect to time, that equal to k naught into a power of 0. A power of 0 means that is k naught. Something power of 0 that equal to 1, then it equal to k naught, that is minus dA by dt equal to k naught. Okay, it is the differential formula of zero order reaction. Then this reaction upon integration, that is minus dA equal to k naught into dt. Okay, integration on both sides, and its limits are a to a minus x, and the time limits are 0 to t. Okay, here it is integration dx. Integration dx equal to x, that is x means capital A, that equal to capital A minus of, and its limits are a to a minus x, that equal to k naught is rate constant, integration dt equal to t, and its limits are 0 to t. Okay, next minus upper minus lower, that is a minus x minus a equal to k naught into t. Okay, here it is a minus x equal to k naught into t, then k equal to a minus x by t. Okay, it is integral form of zero order, then it is written as k equal to x by t. K equal to x by t. Finally we get k equal to x by t is the zero order formula. And then half-life, half-life of zero order means half of the reaction completed time. It is represented by t equal to t half and x equal to a by 2. A is initial concentration of the reactants and x is concentration of products after some time. Then these two values substituted in zero order reaction, that is k equal to x by t. Okay, then it is changes into k naught is zero order rate of reaction constant, that is equal to a by 2t. Okay, a by 2t. X equal to a by 2 and t equal to t1 by 2. T equal to t1 by 2. That is half-life. Then finally t half equal to a by 2k naught. It is the half-life formula for zero order. Here it is half-life of the zero order reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactants. Here it is first order. All photochemical reactions are first order reactions. A gives rise to products. It is general example, and a first order differential equation will be written as minus dA by dt equal to K into A. Here it is dA means changing concentration with respect to time, K into A. When the rate of reaction depends on one concentration term only, then it is called first order reaction. Minus dA by A equal to K into dt. Upon integration both sides, its limits are A to A minus x, and here time limits are 0 to t. Okay, here integration 1 by x dx equal to ln x. Then to apply to this formula, then we get minus of ln a minus x minus a minus x minus a, to apply limits, that equal to k into t. Here it is integration dt, integration dx equal to x, here x equal to t. Okay, minus ln a minus x by a, that equal to k into t, ln a by a minus x, then minus will be cancelled, k into t. Okay, then k equal to 1 by t ln a by a minus x. Okay, and it will be written as k equal to 2.303 by t log a by a minus x. It is the first order reaction main formula. Okay, then half life means half of the concentration of reactants will be consumed time, that is t equal to t half and then x equal to a by 2. These two values substituted in main formula of first order, that is first order main formula k equal to 2.303 by t into log of a by a minus x, and k equal to 2.303 t equal to t half, that is t half means half of the concentration of reactants consumption time, that is log of a by a minus a by 2. Okay, here it is x equal to a by 2. Okay, k equal to 2.303 by t half log of a by 2a minus a by 2 upon LCM, that is k equal to 2.303 by t half log of a by 2, a cancel, and k equal to 2.303 by t half log 2. Log 2 equal to 0.3010. K equal to 2.303 by t half into 0.3010, log 2 value, and k equal to 2.303 into 0.3010, and its value is 0.693 by t half. Okay, here it is t half equal to, finally we get 0.693 by k. It is the half-life formula for first order reaction. Here it is half-life of the first order reaction does not depends on initial concentration of the reactants. Okay, that is t half equal to 0.693 by k.